Here with Yamaha at InfoComm 2026, and we'd love to show you the new XMS series of power amplifiers here. This brand new series of power amplifiers, there are 4 Dante, 4 non-Dante versions of these. They come in various different power configurations of 600 watts, 1200 watts, 2400 watts. We're debuting power sharing with these, where you can distribute the power among different channels and have different power going to those different channels. We can also do multiple different impedances with these amplifiers, so we can do 70 volt, 100 volt, and low impedance signals with these amplifiers on channels as well. Really cool. Much like our series of DSPs, they do have an LCD screen and a little bit of configuration you can get around. If we check out right over here, we can see some of these displays right here. These are some of our bigger power amplifiers right here. 8-channel versions and 4-channel versions, again Dante and non-Dante, with the power sharing, low impedance and high impedance, and all controllable from things like our MCP2 wall controller, or using Provision Air and Provision Air Control Plus. And that's what's cool with our power amplifiers here at InfoComm 2026 with Yamaha. You can check that all out on our website, usa.yamaha.com.